To guarantee a top day out on the water, safety is paramount. You need a marine radio to log on with harbour services. Make sure you're equipped with navigational lights, easy to access flares which are all up to date, a bilge pump, a first aid kit, and life jackets for all passengers on board. Make sure the straps are tightened and secure around the waist. You'll need a fire extinguisher and an EPIRB. Be sure to test the device before departing the boat ramp. Follow this guide to ensure your day out on the water is a great one. This safety message is brought to you by Morrison Marine, the boat hire company you can trust.